Hello Leute, I'm just showing you how to record. I can just get rid of that. Not record, sorry, I'm recording. I just need to show you how to translate the page, basically. Sorry about this. I've just realised I've closed the tab that I didn't want to close. So I'll just have to open this now. Excuse me. So if we go here, go down to your page. There we go. Classic stuff, perhaps. Dienstag, 5th. Okay, and you can open that there. And basically, you've got a little page, a little icon there, which says translate. If I get rid of that, and then you can see translate this page. And if you click it, all of this here is in German. If you click on English, it translates it if you need it. To test yourself, read it all in German first, and then translate it if you need to, yeah? And then what you want to be doing is watching the video. Okay, and obviously that is in German. And once you've read it all and you understand it, you can do these exercises. All right, so these are in English. Again, to test yourself, you can do them in German. Okay, so if I go back up here, translate this page, and I've got it back into German now. Okay, and your tasks will be in German. So if we go to Übersicht again, which is main menu, here it says über das Partizip 2, excuse me. Now, what that is the past participle. Yeah, ausblasen, ausgeblasen. And if I want to check, I've got one right. Now, what I've noticed is where you've got the umlauts there, you'll have to copy and paste an umlaut in, otherwise it will mark it as wrong. Okay, and that will just confuse you. So see how you do getting on with those. Nice bit of German culture there, nice bit of German language for you. If you want to speak to me about anything, just drop me a line and we'll organise a video call if I can make it. Okay? Alles Gute dann. Tschüss.